In front of me is OPPO Reno6 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. First of all, you need to access device settings and scroll down. Now choose passwords and biometrics, tap on add face and enter your current login method. After that, you need to just continue over here and remember to be still. Now you can click on this word next to feature Rise to Wake Up. If you wish to enable or disable it, and when you're ready, just done. Now when I turn off my screen then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!